Lila lived in a village plagued by drought. Daily, she watched the sky, hoping for rain. One day, she spotted a dark cloud. Excited, Lila ran to alert the village. Villagers gathered, anticipating the precious rain. However, the cloud dissipated, leaving disappointment. Lila didn't give up hope though. She decided to climb the nearest hill. There must be a way, she thought. Reaching the top, she spotted a single raindrop. "Please fall," Lila whispered to it. The raindrop glimmered, understanding her plea. It swayed as if gathering strength. Finally, it let go and fell. The moment it touched the ground, magic happened. Streams of water emerged from nowhere. The village's wells filled miraculously. Lila was hailed as a hero. The villagers celebrated their rejuvenated land. Lila learned one brave gesture matters. She cherished the raindrop's transformation. Hope had brought life back home. Lila smiled, grateful and inspired.